Slugpups vs Green Lizard, plus Rivulet. As you see, I have given them weapons. They won't be completely defenseless, if only they had a brain cell. Now, we will bring in the lizard. I think half if not all of these pups will be eaten. Wow, they actually did something. They figured out how to work a gun. Either that or they threw an explosive spear. So they do have brain cells. Wow, they actually did it. Which being shall they fight next?